Hey guys, welcome back to Packwise Gear. We are looking at the series of videos on different passport and travel documents organizers. And now we are looking at this newer brand, Spigen. So Spigen is in the industry for a long time for their telephone cases, phone cases, smaller device, Android, Apple cases, Apple AirTag cases. They make a wonderful products, they have been in industry for a while. I think about I know about them for about 10 years and probably more. So they're doing great. Now I think last year was the first time when I purchased this, and I have used this for couple of international travels. So I do have, so this review is long time review. I can say that because I've been using this travel wallet for a long time. And they they do provide this a nice travel passport, and this is something holder. I'll put this in my sling, so for quicker access, I want to get hold of my passport, open it up, give it to the immigration officer, give it to the check-in counters, and get things going. The problem with this is it's really small, so you can only keep three things in here: credit cards, passports, and boarding pass. Other than that, good luck. So it's really minimalist kind of a design. It's secure, has RFID protection, but it's missing that whole. Now, depending on what do you guys carry, or how do you guys travel? But for me, it's important that I have everything in one place, because I really want to um, um, uh, organize myself there. I can see things, and I know where they are when I need them. So all these cards, they go with me. I will definitely have an SD card, SIM card when I'm traveling, keys, money, notebook, passport. These are my requirement, and I usually travel with a split structure. I have one in hand, one in bush, because when for SHTF situation, I need to have backup strategies. So in the nutshell, this is a passport holder with a vegan leather. So let's talk about outside here. It offers RFID blocking mechanism with the linings and how it's used to secure lock outside for the passport. So it's vegan. There's a whole market for that. People love those kind of products, vegan leather. And it's a PU leather, so it has a coating up on the top. So it's compact in size. It's let me see. I have my measuring tape here. Okay, quickly tell you guys. So this one is about 5.5 inches, and this side is 4 inches, and kind of half an inch profile on this side. So really compact. I love this lock. Give you that feeling, that things are secure. Has this pull tab, which you can utilize to mod it, put your keys. There are a couple of ways to put your keys here, but I use it for. Let me get my trusty Olight pen. I put my pen right in there. Okay, and this is Olight's bolt action stylish slash pen. This is Olight Mini 2. I'll put the link in the description. Look, very nice little profile. I use this pen for my traveling. Goes in my organizers if the organizer doesn't have one. So this is only the extra. Oh yeah, there's another external, not a pocket, but a staging area. Let me get my boarding pass and show you guys how this is structured is basically the boarding pass will be folded like this and goes in there. Regarding another travel tip regarding the boarding pass, guys, don't throw them in the trash can. Remember that. Even that is airport trash, or even that is the hotel trash. Try to figure out how to get rid of the security. Usually, what I do is I put them in a bag, carry it with me back home, shred it in my shredder. I know it's a lot of work, especially you don't want to carry stuff, but it has information on it you don't want to reveal. Okay, so let's so boarding pass slot right here, terrible. I hate using it. So 1 year of use, I didn't appreciate that. Okay, so so let's go inside. So inside organization, we have passport sleeve here. And really nice. I like that. And then we have card slots, 4 vertical slots, very tight. Then they have here the SIM card. So this is a SIM card here. So basically puts, see, this is so tight. These pockets. That's, you need something to actually put even the SIM card in. Forget about it. So yeah, the idea is they even wrote it on it. You put the SIM card here, guys, but I never used it. But this is the device I was talking about to change your SIM cards while traveling. iPhone doesn't offer this anymore because every SIM card gets registered digitally, but Samsung phones still have this mechanism. It's very important to have some kind of common pin, paper clip, or this device with you. So this came with the pouch, okay? I don't use it because I have iPhone, but definitely this is a key for the Android users. Now, look at the structure of cards I carry. I cannot fit all this here. So I have to make a decision that which cards. Usually what I do is Amex, Visa, Priority Pass Lounge Access, and a tracking device. Now, tracking device will be tricky, but you have to test it because it will only work if it is exposed from outside. Because remember, this have RFID blocking mechanism. And then they have this a key leash or ability to mod this. You can, you know, just to make it a little bit, add a little bit of color. I do that. I also sometimes put my AirTag in there, Apple AirTag. I have those kind of hook and loop ways to attach my AirTags. No cash slot, no notebook slot. Passport goes right in there. And different cards you can put in right here, but these pockets are super tight. Very less room to do anything. Okay, I'll just demonstrate in front of you that how tight it gets. So really 4-slot normal credit card slot holder here. Really not much. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is so I've been using this for a year now. Took a couple or maybe 3 international flights with it. So let's go into pros and cons. The RFID protection, this closure, minimalist design. People like that. This you know, a lot. And a lightweight, slim pocket carry. Put in jeans, no problem. D-ring for AirTag, modifications, keys. Cons is capacity is limited. As I said, like there's no cash slot, no coin slot. You need all those. I'm telling you, trust me, traveling, you need all those. You need security. You need secure areas to manage your things, cash, coins, SIM cards, SD cards. Maybe area to put your watch, your rings, your whatever, bracelets. You need those zipper compartments. Excuse me. And the pen loop outside destroys the structure. Like if I'm putting in pocket, this will conflict. And backpack, it will go like this. Sling might hold up the structure, but I would have actually place it somewhere else. Yeah, but with the minimalist design, the problem with minimalist designs are they don't give you a lot of rooms. So basically, this access of passport is very quick. So that's one of the pros. And then the pen has to be, this is a very small profile pen, by the way, guys. So the pen has to be very small to fit in here. So you cannot put like regular pen in there. You have to buy something like this or a small structure pen to actually really enjoy this. Now, some users do report the locking flap can press on passport clip and it can get overstuffed. I don't see that problem. I see that report on one of the reviews, but I don't see that a problem. So I saw on one of the Amazon reviews, the guy was telling that that the locking flap can press on passport clip if overstuffed. Well, I don't see that happening, but yeah, so some people did talk about that in the Amazon reviews. So that's it, guys. So I think this is good for your quick access passport. It's secure, and it just has some limitations. So keep in mind, so this goes around $29.99. Around 38 Canadian dollars, and US dollars about $29.99. So I do, you can put the air tag here, or you can put the tracking device in one of the card slots. Totally possible. So used it, not love it, but I think it is good enough. $29, you might have better options, and I'll tell you the better options, which I have been using for 10 years, which review is coming up next. So keep watching Packwise Gear.